So here's an update on the shipment we got from Premium Winners. Some of the stuff we ordered extra, but just an update on some of the stuff. There's some of the Bordeaux there. The lissom's starting to take off right in there. The denim and lace. We bought an extra one, so this one is significantly shorter, but I'm sure it'll grow up. A lot of this right here was inspired by Garden Answer, so I think it's coming out real nice. It's gonna look good. Back there, what you see is some David Austin roses. Those will be looking pretty good here in about a month or so. They're starting to get a little bit of buds. Over here on this side, we put the Picasso in blue here. We have some alyssum right there. We have there is called a sunbroom, and another David Austin, and some purple salvia right there. We'll give another update once everything starts blooming, so that way you guys know what it looks like and how it's gonna come out.